Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanessa. So today I'm going to show you how I achieve this look on my eyebrows. It's the laminated look without the lamination. So if you are interested in how I achieve this look, then keep watching. I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to do my right brow first, take you through that, and then I'll have you just watch on the left brow. So you will need Got2B glued. I've seen people use lash glue, clear lash glue. I tried that glue, clear lash glue. I tried that. It didn't hold as well as Got2B. So if you have this, I recommend this. But obviously, clear lash glue works as well. I'll be using my pomade from MAC in color Dipdown. Focus, focus, focus. There you go. But you can use powder, you can use your pencil, anything else that you use for your eyebrows is okay to use. I've used the powder and the dip brow with this method before and it works just fine. So let's get started. And that should do it. You can already see it forming. And I'm going to take my spoolie and just... Oh, look how easily that went up, guys. Just brush it out. I do not recommend putting on your foundation before this. As you can see, my foundation's already getting into the glue and changing the color. I don't think the color matters, but when it comes time to wipe around the edges, you end up wiping off your foundation anyway. So I think just do your foundation afterwards. Putting it all up, putting those ones down. I'm not going for the feathered look, I just want it all to stay in place. So that's what I have right now. That excess will be wiped off. So you can see a comparison. Even though I have pretty full eyebrows anyway, but they're very curly. So getting them to stay down like this is good. When this baby dries, there ain't gonna be no fuzz. So now I'm gonna go in with my pomade. So what I do is outline the bottom of my eyebrows depending on its shape, and try to go as close to the actual shape of your eyebrow as possible, and then I do the same to the top. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh my god! I don't know if you guys can see this, but it ain't moving in comparison to that. She ain't moving nowhere, friend. Okay, alright. You're ready to apply this now. Cool. So I just do my brows as I usually do. Fill it in. And then go in the direction that you've set your brows, just so it looks more natural. So I've set mine kind of in an upward position and then combed it down so I didn't have the feather look. So I'm just going in an upward motion to go in the same direction as my brows. go. And then for the front, I just
then I just grab a wipe to wipe the excess glue from around my eyebrows. You don't have to use a wipe. I think you can also use makeup remover, you can use alcohol, anything that just removes the glue, you know, from around the edges so it doesn't affect how your makeup looks, so you wouldn't have a cakey look.
And then I'm gonna just put my concealer on. I use LA Girl Pro Concealer. I don't know how you all, oh, fine. Oh, I never knew that the color was there. I always guessed to see what color it was, because I never saw the color before. So I use LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn GC 983. And it's just like 2 shades lighter than my complexion, so that's why I use it as a concealer for underneath my brows, and then I use foundation on top.
So I very slowly outline the bottom of my brow with my concealer and clean it up so it looks very sharp, and then I will go in with my foundation at the top, and again very slowly, very precisely outline the top of my brow so that it's cleaned up as well. I don't recommend using concealer at the top of your brows because you'll have like the halo brow look and it ain't cute. It just looks like you only have eyebrows on your face, and it's just not the look that you should be going for. So I recommend using your foundation that blends better with your skin at the top of your brow. And then I use my MORPHE blending brush, concealer blending brush, to blend out the bottom of my brow.
So there you go, that's the laminated brow, and it's still in place. Ooh. 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 Okay, so I'm just gonna do the next one. Yeah, I look mad good still. Okay, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing.
So I'm just gonna leave you guys now to watch how I do my left brow, and I'll follow the same exact methods that I use for the right brow, and I'll just leave you guys to see.
I find that this eyebrow is always more difficult to do than the right one. Am I the only one? Am I the only one who struggles to get symmetrical eyebrows because your eyebrows just seem so different? Tell me. Tell me I'm not going crazy. Tell me it's not just me. I'm so happy I found this method because I've used, what you call it now? Brow tamers. I've used, I've like set it, I've used setting spray to set it and then like wiped it in that motion. I don't know why that was supposed to work. And nothing has really worked. So I'm just happy that without paying the price of laminated brows, I can just do this as a makeup method. Okay guys, so here you have the laminated brows. Laminated brow look. Didn't actually laminate my brows. So, tell me what you guys think. Let me just do a little test. Okay, so the one that has more glue is stuck in place. But the one that has just a bit less glue, as you can see, it like moves still. I just have some tips and reminders that I mentioned throughout the video, just for you to remember when doing these laminated brow looks. Firstly, you can use Got2B glued, again as mentioned before. I tried the lash glue and it worked fine. It just didn't hold as much as the Got2B glue did, so it's up to you how much hold you want. If you just want it to lay flat and not like curl like mine, then maybe lash glue is fine. But if you want a long lasting hold or a stronger hold, then I suggest Got2B glued. Also remember to wipe around the edges of your eyebrows before the glue is dry. So my first mistake when I did this was allowing the glue to dry both on my eyebrow hairs and around the edges, and that is more difficult to wipe off and clean up. So I think once you've used your spoolie to set the brows in the direction that you want it to go, then I suggest wiping around the edges as quickly as possible so the glue doesn't dry on, which will make your makeup look clumpy. Make sure that you wait till the glue is dry before you put makeup in the brows. When I first did it, I just put the glue on, set it with the spoolie. What is a spoolie? I set it with this spoolie. And then I didn't wait for the glue to dry. I just went straight ahead and put the pomade in, and it's kind of a liquidy base, so it's almost like the pomade is too watery to go on as pigmented as you'd like it. So I think you should wait until the glue is dry before you add any makeup to the brows, so you have a solid and dry base when you're putting on your makeup. That's it for this video, and if you guys like this video, please like it, comment down below any concerns you have. If you've tried this, let me know how it went, and if you like my channel, please subscribe and turn the notification on so you can see all my future posts. Thank you for watching. Bye.